Turkey occupies a unique position at the crossroads of Europe and Asia. This location makes it a bridge between East and West. Turkey controls the Bosporus and Dardanelles Straits, the gateway between the Black Sea and the Mediterranean. This gives Turkey immense geopolitical leverage, especially with Russia. Turkey's importance is amplified by its NATO membership. As a member since 1952, Turkey is crucial for NATO in a volatile region. It has the second largest military in NATO, serving as a bulwark against threats from the east. The relationship between Turkey and Russia is a complex tapestry woven from centuries of interaction, marked by both cooperation and conflict. The two countries share a long history of rivalry dating back to the Ottoman and Tsarist empires. Competition for influence in the Black Sea and the Balkans led to numerous wars and territorial disputes. This historical baggage continues to cast a shadow on the present-day relationship, creating a backdrop of mistrust and suspicion. Despite this history of rivalry, Turkey and Russia have also found common ground in recent times, particularly in the economic sphere. Russia is a major supplier of natural gas to Turkey, and the two countries have collaborated on major energy projects, such as the Turk Stream pipeline. This economic interdependence has fostered a degree of pragmatism in their relationship. In recent years, Turkey and Russia have also found themselves drawn together by shared interests in Syria. Both countries have been active players in the Syrian civil war, albeit on opposing sides. However, their shared desire to limit the influence of the United States in the region has led to a degree of tactical cooperation. This has manifested in joint patrols in northern Syria and the establishment of de-escalation zones. In recent years, Turkey has embarked on an ambitious path of military modernization and expansion, driven by a desire to project power and defend its interests in an increasingly volatile region. Turkey has invested heavily in upgrading its armed forces. This modernization drive has encompassed all branches of the military, from the acquisition of new fighter jets and drones to the development of indigenous defense technologies. One of the key pillars of Turkey's military transformation has been its focus on developing a robust domestic defense industry. Recognizing the strategic vulnerability of relying on foreign suppliers, Turkey has made significant strides in producing its own weapons systems and military equipment. This drive for self-sufficiency has led to the emergence of a vibrant Turkish defense industry, capable of producing everything from armored vehicles to unmanned aerial vehicles. This focus on indigenous development has been complemented by strategic acquisitions of advanced weaponry from abroad. Turkey has sought to diversify its sources of arms procurement, reducing its dependence on traditional suppliers like the United States. This has led to deals with countries like Russia, from whom Turkey purchased the S-400 missile defense system. A significant development in Turkey's military modernization has been the acquisition of Meteor beyond visual range air-to-air missiles. Developed by a consortium of European nations, the Meteor missile is considered one of the most advanced air-to-air weapons systems in the world. Its ramjet propulsion system gives it unparalleled range and speed, making it a potent weapon for establishing air superiority. The integration of Meteor missiles onto Turkish F-16 fighter jets significantly enhances Turkey's air defense capabilities. The missile's long range allows Turkish fighters to engage enemy aircraft from a safe distance, denying them access to Turkish airspace. This capability is particularly relevant in the context of the Black Sea region, where Russia maintains a significant air presence. The Meteor missile's advanced capabilities have shifted the balance of power in the Black Sea. Russia's air force, while still formidable, now faces a credible deterrent in the form of Turkish F-16s armed with Meteor missiles. This development has significant implications for the security dynamics of the region. Section 5. A bulwark of NATO, Turkey's role in the alliance. Turkey's strategic location and military capabilities make it a cornerstone of NATO's southeastern flank. As a NATO member, Turkey plays a crucial role in safeguarding the alliance's interests in the Black Sea region, the Balkans, and the Eastern Mediterranean. Turkey's large and increasingly modern military serves as a deterrent against potential adversaries and contributes to NATO's collective defense posture. Turkey's contributions to NATO extend beyond its military capabilities. The country hosts several strategically important NATO installations, including Incirlik Air Base, which has played a vital role in NATO operations in the Middle East. Turkey's geographic location also makes it an important transit route for NATO forces and equipment. Moreover, Turkey's intelligence capabilities and its understanding of the region are invaluable assets to NATO. Turkey's intelligence services have a deep understanding of regional dynamics and have played a key role in countering terrorism and other threats. Section 6. A helping hand, Germany, France, and Turkish military growth. Turkey's military modernization has not occurred in isolation. The country has benefited from the support of its NATO allies, particularly Germany and France. These countries have played a significant role in enhancing Turkey's military capabilities through technology transfer, joint training exercises, and defense-industrial collaboration. Germany, as a leading European power and a major defense exporter, has been a key partner in Turkey's military modernization. German companies have supplied Turkey with advanced submarines, tanks, and other military equipment. Germany has also provided technical assistance and training to Turkish military personnel. France, another major European power with a strong defense industry, has also played a significant role in Turkey's military development. French companies have supplied Turkey with helicopters, missiles, and electronic warfare systems. France and Turkey have also collaborated on joint defense projects, such as the development of the Aster-30 surface-to-air missile system. Section 7. Shifting tides, Turkey's impact on the Black Sea balance. Turkey's military modernization and its acquisition of advanced weapon systems such as the Meteor missile have had a profound impact on the balance of power in the Black Sea region. Russia, long the dominant military power in the Black Sea, now faces a more assertive and capable Turkey. This shift in the balance of power has significant implications for regional security and stability. Turkey's enhanced military capabilities, particularly its air defense systems, complicate Russia's freedom of maneuver in the Black Sea. Russia can no longer assume air superiority in a conflict scenario, as Turkish F-16s armed with Meteor missiles pose a credible threat to Russian aircraft. Turkey's growing naval presence in the Black Sea, including the development of new submarines and warships, further challenges Russia's dominance. Turkey's navy is now better equipped to protect its interests in the Black Sea and to contest Russia's naval power. Section 8. A new era, implications for NATO and beyond. Turkey's military rise and its assertive posture in the Black Sea have significant implications for NATO and the broader international order. Turkey's actions demonstrate its commitment to defending its interests and its willingness to challenge traditional power dynamics. For NATO, Turkey's growing military capabilities are a double-edged sword. On the one hand, Turkey's strengthened military contributes to the alliance's collective defense and deterrence posture, particularly in the Black Sea region. Turkey's actions demonstrate its commitment to NATO and its willingness to confront potential adversaries. On the other hand, Turkey's independent foreign policy and its willingness to pursue its own interests, even when they diverge from those of its NATO allies, have created tensions within the alliance. Turkey's acquisition of the Russian S-400 missile defense system, for example, was met with condemnation from its NATO partners, who saw it as incompatible with NATO systems and a potential security risk. Section 9. Conclusion. A new chapter in Turkish-Russian relations. Turkey's military modernization and its assertive posture in the Black Sea signal a new chapter in Turkish-Russian relations. While the two countries continue to cooperate in some areas, such as energy, their strategic competition is intensifying. The Black Sea region has become a focal point of this competition as Turkey seeks to challenge Russia's long-standing dominance. The outcome of this competition will have significant implications for the regional balance of power and the future of the Black Sea region. Turkey's actions suggest that it is no longer content to play a secondary role in the Black Sea, and is determined to assert its interests, even if it means confronting Russia. The relationship between Turkey and Russia is likely to remain complex and multifaceted, characterized by both cooperation and competition. Managing this complex relationship will require careful diplomacy and a clear understanding of each other's interests and red lines.
Join Intel Prime Channel membership today and get access to exclusive benefits, including early access to new videos, exclusive discounts on Intel products, behind-the-scenes content, live chat with me and other members. Other options will be soon available. Thank you for your support and for helping Intel Prime grow.